how should you trade during the summer? I've just had an email come through to me today, and I thought, oh, this gives me a good subject title for today's video. And the email was asking about should you trade smaller size during the summer months, or should you trade the same? Um, Part of that's going to come down to the nature of the trading that you're doing. But there are traders out there who literally do take August off. I'm not a believer in doing that. I understand if people just want to take August off because they're going to be having a 2 or 3 week holiday or whatever. Fair enough. But generally speaking, the summer, just because it's August, doesn't guarantee that it's going to be poor price action. So even though actually so far this summer it's not been the best, depending on the market you're trading, of course, as well. I'm looking at the dollar here, but um, if you're a discretionary trader, and I think also if you're a day trader, the question was to me was should you trade a smaller position size during the summer months? And when I was doing much more day trading, then yes, I would do. I would trade smaller during the summer months, because what you can find is sticky. If I take this euro dollar here to an hourly chart, you get an idea of just what's been going on just over this week, over the last few days, where you get lots of sideways price action, then you get one half decent candle, then a lot of choppy price action again, and it's worked its way down, but you get an idea for, well, yeah, there's a lot of chop, and even into last week as well, you get lots of sideways price action. So what happens is that markets will end up doing their having their moves, but there's a lot sitting around and a lot of false moves that can happen as well. So if you're a day trader, then because of that sticky price action, that's what I used to do. I used to downsize in the summer. But I think there's two caveats to that. I think if you're a swing trader, then you just carry on trading as you were, because you haven't got that sticky price action that I'm talking about for intraday traders. But also if you're a mechanically based trader, so if you're a discretionary trader, one of the things that you have to your advantage is that you can use your discretion to decide on position size, decide when you're going to trade, when you're not going to trade, and taking a number of factors into consideration. Now, if you're a mechanical based trader where you have a given pattern and you've got to take that pattern every time it sets up every day, then that's a little bit different, and you're more likely you've got to stay with your pattern and its rules, because otherwise you can end up underperforming your own pattern. So you might want to still stay with that, unless of course your pattern, you've got back tested data to say that actually it underperforms in the summer. And if that's the case, then you might still want to trade it because it might not underperform every summer. But if you can see a pattern over the last 10 years, 5 years, let's say, and you've got a pattern that over the summer its performance is lower than the rest of the year, then again you could adapt it for that. So there's no hard and fast answer to should you downsize your positions. For me, from a swing trading perspective, not really, but certainly I can see the argument from a discretionary day trading perspective that yes, because that's what I used to do, is to downsize during the summer months, because what you end up finding is that you get that bit of sticky price action. But again, it comes down to your trading style, the types of markets you're trading, of course, as well, because some markets are sticky and go like that, and other markets might not be. So again, it's your decision, but some food for thought there on, well, how are you trading? What type of trader are you? And if you're not day trading, then I would say no. But if you are day trading, then it's certainly something that you can consider based on your individual trading style. Hopefully that helps for today. Short video today. I'll be back at the end of the week. Take care for now.